Hi guys, really excited to bring this to you today. I had a few customers ask for this, so I figured I would make this possible for everybody. This is the new Domain Kicks website. You can read through this information at domainkicks.com. We talk about some of the features about how it gives you loaded and reloaded domain ideas at every click. How you can add your own custom keyword list for availability, how you can add your favorite prepends and appends, plus we give you ideas for that. And we have the powerful dream list checker that checks 24/7 the availability of domains that were already registered. Okay, the power for search is awesome. We're just getting started with some of the features for that. So let me just log into this account, and I promise you we have a very special deal coming up for you to check out on this. All right, so what you have here is your Domain Kicks data dashboard. And every time you click on this, you'll see a different one. What I tend to do is if I'm looking for something, I'll look for different terms that I haven't thought of before. I might make some adjustments to it. Let's just go with urban. And then I'm just going to delete out this one. So we're just going to use those two. And then I'm going to hit search. Now you can check other TLDs or extensions if you want, but there's none here. So like, let's say for instance, I like urban cellular, right? I think that could be something that I could market. So I'll hit that, hit OK, and then that would go into my dream list. It's currently showing it's unavailable, but this is when it was last checked, and it'll update later. So you'll get a nice email when something is available, and you can go ahead and decide if you want to register it at that point. Okay, so the pricing for this right now is $97 for all access. This gives you all of the upcoming features. The 47 is going to have standard features only, which we haven't decided which is which on that yet. So this is early access. But we have a lot of great features that'll tell you more about the domains if you are looking to buy them, the appraisals and things like that. You'll be able to do 2,000 searches per month, which is quite a lot, and 500 dream list candidates you can put in. Whereas the all access you get unlimited. Now if you get the lifetime plan for $497, you get no limits on your searches or dream list and all of the all access features you'll get as well. So that's $497. And so the special that we're running today is that if you decide to go with the lifetime plan, we are going to give you a combo. So you'll get the Domain Kicks lifetime for $497, and you'll also get Leads Detective lifetime as well. So let me just show you Leads Detective and show you why you might want to have this. This is perfect for those that have domains and are trying to sell it. As you see here, these are per month. So you would be getting the unlimited plan lifetime, which is $297 a month, okay? And this allows you to do unlimited searches and pull out unlimited leads and 100,000 rows at a time. There's no other software that gives you this much, okay? You can get the registrar, you can find out when they're expiring and things like that. This is great because when you get in here, and I'll show you in a second, you'll be able to find domains that you can sell your domains to, okay? So as you see, domain sales, do you have a domain name you want to sell or would like to make sense of very similar domains or make contact? We could definitely help you out with that. It also works with sales, any kind of thing like that. So it's a very, very powerful tool. We update this all the time. Every week we update this. So if we log in to Leads Detective, you have your search and you have your advanced search. Most people will use the advanced search or the dynamic search, and you can either pick things that are dependent on each other or separate from each other. So I'm just going to use OR for now, and I'm going to put domain name. And I just bought a domain surfer.gg. So I'm going to put in surfer, and I'm going to see if anybody has a domain that has the word surfer in it in the database. All right. And so from the database, we have 45 that have the word surfer in it that we have data on. Okay. So you can go ahead and download this, and you would be able to contact and reach out to these folks. Okay. I'll show you the list for a brief second here in a spreadsheet. It's loading on another screen, so I'll just bring it over. But you basically get a lot of information for people that have surfer in the domain, so you can try to help sell your domain name. Okay. out that way. There's other ways you can do it. There's other search terms that you can use. There's a whole, I'll show you the whole list. This is just domain name, niche industry, registrar name. Like if you're just looking for somebody that had surfer and let's just put in surf and GoDaddy. So now there's 741. And let's say you were just looking for people that have that and GoDaddy. And it'll refine that list down. Oh, okay, this is or. See, it's either they have either GoDaddy or they have Surf. Okay, so you have to go ahead and change that to and then do the search again. Okay, that's if you want the two things to be also true. I use this all the time to sell domains, to get lead clients and things like that. So again, if you do buy the lifetime plan for $497 on Domain Kicks, you'll go ahead and put in a support ticket, and we'll add a lifetime plan for Leads Detective, which is valued at over $1,000 as well. So that's you'll never have to pay a monthly fee for your data, and we update it all the time. So this is a request that somebody that in the community had. They wanted a place to sell the domains, so I told them about Leads Detective, and they said you really should do a combination. So we don't have the 50% off coupon anymore, but if you do buy this, we will go ahead and set you up with the lifetime plan for Leads Detective. So hopefully that helps you out. Guys, enjoy the search. I'm finding great domains every single day on Domain Kicks. Got my first email today of a domain that became available. So I'm really excited. The whole system is working great. And we have some really great information that we're going to have for each domain. So you can make your research decisions right there with the platform. All right. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.